Foldable phones have always been among the most costly smartphones, and if the newest Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 price rumors are to be believed, they will only get more pricey. The formal introduction of the Galaxy Foldables is just a few weeks away, but we already have some leaked pricing information for the Galaxy Z Fold. According to SmartPricks and Leaks, Samsung's forthcoming flagship foldable phone would be priced pricier than its predecessor in the US market, with prices expected to be $100 higher across all storage capacity. Although pricing for other regions is not mentioned in the leak, it is likely that there will be a similar price rise for the UK market as well. Keep in mind that these statistics are just guesses, but if the price hike occurs in the US, it is extremely likely to occur in other regions as well. Despite the greater price, it seems that there will be no substantial upgrades in terms of specs. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is said to feature the same storage capacity as its predecessor, a 6.7-inch foldable display, and a weight of 187 grams. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is claimed to be available in mint, silver shadow, yellow, and blue, with the potential of handmade black peach and white variations if bought from Samsung's online shop. However, prior leaks imply that the phone will have a new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, a 50-megapixel camera, and maybe a bigger cover screen and battery. It's worth noting that these leaks contradict the most recent weight leak, since a larger battery would most likely raise the weight of the phone. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to sport a 7.6-inch foldable screen, just like its predecessor, but it will be somewhat lighter, weighing 239 grams instead of 253. The phone will be available in navy, silver shadow, and pink colors, with leaks indicating that Samsung may offer crafted black and white shades on their online store. As for upgrades, the main one appears to be the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, as mentioned in previous leaks. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.